Hey y'all, it's Alberto at Braustin Mobile Homes. We started this company a couple of years ago to help improve the experience of buying a factory-built house. We've kind of been known as the folks that push the boundaries of technology. Let me start over then. Is it too loud?
Yeah.
Okay, I can tone it down. After you've at the factory, we'll place your order plan in place to get these items in. To get things, if we determine factory driver with your home to get your home, it's important to keep in mind that during the construction process, you cannot move any furniture. Once you've completed, or chip on the not write down, type out. And take notes on your phone take notes on your phone to allow our team to order parts. And so we want to make sure that we take our time and catch all the things. So we suggest living in your home for 2 weeks to a month to make sure you caught, if I just say for a full year, will that work?
Due to structural integrity.
Okay. So make sure you keep our team member. Geez, degrees.
I know what you're trying to say.
I know, I just don't know how to say it.
Just say that first part again.
I need to do that. With all the choices out there for consumers nowadays, it's hard to know if you're getting, geez, degrees. Had to give you one.
Nice.
We know that as a potential home buyer, you have a ton of choices out there. Was not only posting our pricing publicly available, does that make sense? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep still with that. That's the only thing she notices on the videos. All from their couch. Along with that, a memorable one, as enjoyable as possible, so that we could focus on the enjoyable parts of becoming a home buyer. Geez, degrees, homeowner. All right.
Yeah.
Start the whole thing.